Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix forgot lock screen password on any Vivo phone. Now, if you have forgotten the lock screen password, you will have to hard reset your smartphone. Now, to do that, first of all, just power off your smartphone. Now, to do that, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now, as you can see, the power menu has appeared on the screen. From here, just select power off. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to completely power off. Now after that, just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Just like that. Now once the fast boot screen appears on the screen, just release the power button and the volume up button. Just like that. From here, to navigate the screen, just press the volume down button and select recovery mode. Now from here, just press the power button to confirm recovery mode. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now from here, just select clear data. Now just tap on clear all data and tap on OK. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to clear all the data on your smartphone, including the lock screen password. Now after that, just tap on return. Now just tap on the arrow icon at the upper left corner on the display and tap on restart. Now just tap on OK. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to restart. Now from here, just tap on the drop down arrow to select your language. From here, just select your language. Just like that. Now just tap on start. From here, just select your location. Now just tap on I have read and agreed to the above and tap on next. From here, just enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Now once you enter the password of your Wi-Fi, just tap on connect. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now just tap on don't copy. From here, just tap on use my Google account instead. Now just enter your email address. Now once you enter your email address, just tap on next. Now just enter the password of your Gmail address. Now once you enter the password of your Gmail address, just tap on next. Now just enter your email address one more time. Now once you have entered your Gmail address, just tap on next. From here, just enter the password of your Gmail address. Now once you have entered the password of your Gmail address, just tap on next. Now tap on I agree. Now just wait for a few seconds. From here, just tap on skip. Now just tap on more and tap on accept. Now just tap on do not backup. Now tap on continue and tap on more and tap on I agree. From here, tap on more and tap on I agree. Now just tap on more and select I agree. Now just select I agree. Now just tap on skip and tap on No Thanks. From here, just tap on Next. Now just select the system navigation mode you like. Now you have the option of the free navigation buttons, or you can select the gesture navigations. I will select the three navigation buttons. Now once you select the navigation mode you like, just tap on Next. Now from here, just tap on Get Started. Now, as you can see, this is how you can fix forgot lock screen password on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.